Welcome to our Hair Clippers Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the Ufree Electric Razor. Both products are designed for men's grooming, but they cater to different needs. We'll explore their specifications, features, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're a professional barber or just looking for a reliable grooming tool at home, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the price. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers are priced at $99 United States dollars, making them a premium option for those seeking professional-grade tools. On the other hand, the Ufree Electric Razor comes in at a more budget-friendly price of $79 United States dollars, which could appeal to everyday users looking for quality without breaking the bank. Next, let's discuss functionality. The Novah clippers serve as both a clipper and a trimmer, making them versatile for various hairstyles and grooming needs. In contrast, the Ufree Electric Razor is primarily designed for shaving and trimming, focusing on delivering a close shave. This distinction is crucial for users who have specific grooming preferences. Finally, let's look at the accessories included with each product. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers come with a comprehensive set, including multiple clipper and trimmer guards, a cape, and a comb, catering to professional needs. In contrast, the Ufree Electric Razor includes fewer accessories, which may be sufficient for casual users but might leave professionals wanting more. In conclusion, both the Novah Professional Hair Clippers and the Ufree Electric Razor have their strengths and weaknesses. The Novah offers versatility and a range of accessories, making it ideal for professionals, while the Ufree provides a more affordable option for everyday grooming. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.